the next video. Hello kids, welcome back to Spoken English for Kids. Today, we'll learn a beautiful English sentence about kindness and respect. Listen carefully. Treat everyone fairly and equally. Now repeat after me. Treat everyone fairly and equally. Excellent. Let's say it slowly. Treat, everyone, fairly, and equally. And equally, now say it together. Treat everyone fairly and equally. This means, be kind and fair to all people. Don't treat anyone differently because of how they look, talk, or dress. For example, in class we should treat everyone fairly and equally. Well done! Keep practicing your spoken English and always be fair and kind.